Hi guys, today I'll be making a Kumihimo keychain. The materials that we're going to be using is a Kumihimo disc, some 2mm nylon thread, scissors, and some beads. For this video I'll be using only the colors pink and blue, but you can choose whatever color you decide. Also, we're going to be needing a keychain ring. So what I did is I cut 2 pieces of each color, and the measurement is going to be 36 inches each cord. Then I fold that in half and made a knot on the jump ring or the keychain ring. Now what I did is I put the ring on the back of the disc, and through the center I pulled through all the cords, and then I divided the cords and I put 2 cords where you see those little dots on the Kumihimo disc, 2, and that dot needs to be in between the 2 cords. Once you finish, you should have like a cross or an X depending on how you see it, but you need to pull those cords towards the back tightly. To start, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the top blue cord that's on my left and I'm gonna cross it to the top right part on top of the pink cord. And then I'm gonna take that lower pink cord that's on my right and move it to the lower part of the left side beneath the blue cord. And you're gonna repeat the same thing over and over. Move top left towards top right and top right towards bottom left. Here you can see how it's going, see? But I want it to be longer, so I'm gonna keep moving the cords. Left, top left to top right, lower right to lower left. So I already finished. This is the length I'm gonna stick with. I don't want it to be too long. And all you need to do is remove the cords from the disc, and then you're gonna make a knot